Hello, this is Kaser Mahmood, and I'm going to tell you how to play with the chart of account, how you can create chart of account. So this is the dashboard. We will go in the accounting, and we have here chart of accounts. Click on the chart of accounts, and you will have a look at available chart of accounts. And here in this interface you see that there's a name type and detail type. If you see, this is a bank name, this is a bank name, and this is cash and cash equivalent. Actually, in the accounting term, cash and cash equivalent are all those things which you will going to immediately utilize to pay your vendors or your bills or anything else. So the detail type is bank, and this is the balance you can see here. And we can also see the detail once we click on it. We going back at the balance, and we see here that account history. We click on this, so we have multiple functions, but I show you here first the creation of new chart of accounts. In new chart of accounts you can have a look like this. I will first explain you that account type you have seen here, the account type. This is the account type, what type of account you are actually creating, where you want to club it in the balance sheet. If you go in the balance sheet, you have your balance sheet. Let's suppose you go in the reports, and in the reports we are actually creating balance sheet items. So I am going in the balance sheet report, and at the moment you can see this is the presentation. So bank of fiber is under total current assets, it is under total current assets. So it is not included in account receivables, it is under total current assets. So here we will mention that what type of account we are going to create. We are going to create account receivable, current assets, fixed assets, non-current assets, account receivable, credit card, current liabilities, long-term liabilities or non-current liabilities, owner equity, income statement account or expense account. So we gonna create here, let's suppose the balance sheet we have opened, so we going to create a liability account. Let's suppose current liabilities. In the current liabilities you have multiple types by default available. So this is client trust account, or what type of account. If you do not find anything, so you can create other current liabilities. Your work start basically from there. Let's suppose we have uh, payable in terms of let's suppose this is we see the fuels payable accounts or any other payable accounts. Let's suppose society payables. So we have society payables here, and we also can have multiple societies. So we say, let's suppose society payables, this is DHA. And if you want to make it sub account, you can select from here. Definitely the correct accounts need to be selected. At the moment we're not making it sub account of any main account. Here you can mention the opening balance and the opening balance date from here. So we are not going to mention at the moment. This is account with a nil balance. So we save and close it, and the account have been created. So once the account have been created, you can find it from here. You see This is society payable accounts, and I will simultaneously and at the moment, along with this process, I will also show you that you can edit it, you can make it inactive. Inactive means that this account will not go appear in the active list. You're not gonna seen in it again, but you can also have both active and inactive account. I will show you in another video. So if you want to see the detail of any accounts, chart of accounts, this is kind of ledger. If let's suppose we want to see the ledger of that bank of fiber account, we just want to run the report, and here we have all the dates. If you want, you can select the custom range. You can do whatever you want. This is the custom range. You can select which two dates between 2 day, which uh, 2 dates in between you want the data to show to your let's say your seniors or your partners or anyone else. So if you want to see this, you can also see. So let's have a look at this. If you run, we have these two transactions and have been mentioned what type of transaction are these. So this is from my side as far as the